the Rosemary Rosé Gin Spritz. Oh my, we are once again building this drink in a stemmed wine glass. Let's start by adding a fragrant sprig of rosemary in the glass. Give a squeeze of fresh lemon juice. Let's add 1 ounce St. George Terroir gin. A forest in your glass. Next, we're going to eyeball about 3 ounces of dry rosé. Then a very generous splash of soda water. Wow, that's generous. Next, add your champagne or prosecco. Then add ice gradually, not all at once, so it doesn't flow over the top. That's an ice addition. And garnish with a rosemary sprig and lemon peel combo. Let the lemon peel cradle the rosemary. Now who's ready for a garden party? Baby, you're a mystery. Do you wanna grab a drink with me? I'll even let you sit